Hi everyone, my name is Rishit. Today is the 9th of June 2024 and I'll be going over my weekly prediction for SPY. As usual, I'll be going over the monthly, weekly, and finally the daily charts, and then I'll switch over to the Excel sheet where we'll be reviewing last week's prediction and go over this one in more detail. But before getting into the video, it's important to make the disclaimer that all information here is completely educational and therefore it is important to conduct your own analysis, whatever analysis that may be, to ensure you're comfortable with the risk, reward, and trading style. This is not a video to promote a trading system or anything. This is just a log of my predictions and the reason behind it. So with that out of the way, let's get into this video. So monthly charts, we can see that the month of May closed with a bang. I mean, you wouldn't call it a tweezer top, you would more call it similar to a bullish counterattack, since we had the market open pretty much at the close of the previous month, which was in April, and then we got back all of the losses, and we even broke above the resistance of 524.09, and we're currently at 534.01 as the spot price. Although the month of June hasn't closed yet, we can see that the ADX is rising now, and the blue line is comfortably above the yellow line, which in this case is supposed to be the red line. But really, this means that the market favors an upward trend right now, although that is subject to change, of course. Furthermore, the weekly charts show a similar pattern. I mean, we've had an upward trend starting from March 2023, effectively, and we've had the breakout from this upwards wedge, but then we went back up this retracement. So it's actually a failed pattern since we didn't get our ideal value. ADX has peaked above both DI lines, DI plus and DI minus. So that means the market is definitely trending as of now. So the blue line is above the yellow line, which means that, again, similarly, we do favor an uptrend. RSI is upwards, like going up, but it's not overbought yet. I mean, it's 69.98, so it's very, very close. However, we do see that starting here, this short rally that we see here is definitely not accompanied by volume. And volume is now half what it was here. And we can see a consistent decrease in the volume. This clearly shows it's a very, very, very weak uptrend, and it is likely to be contradicted very, very soon. I mean, we should be expecting a downwards turn pretty quickly. Therefore, as long as this momentum maintains, we will keep it, but there is definitely the warning that this will go down very, very soon. So for this week, we can immediately take the resistance of 536.89 as the buy entry, and we'll take the low of this candle at 522.6 as the sell entry. Therefore, it goes below the now support at 524.09, and it closes below the low of this candle, confirming a strong bearish movement. And obviously, volume would need to be pretty decent as well. That's what we get from the weekly charts. Finally, let's move into the daily charts. Again, similar pattern. I mean, we had this huge upturn in the start of the week, and the last 2 days were very, very, both doji candles actually. So we have market indecision towards the end, and now here we see we have this converging, all the three lines and converging, meaning we are in a very sideways market in the daily charts, which is further supporting what I'm saying, as it means that we might be in a distribution period as the market is going higher, but it's starting to plateau with volume decreasing. So we could expect the volume to go down, the price to go down very, very soon. So last week, we had a losing trade of $221.16. And this week, again, as I just mentioned, the resistance is 536.89. We'll sell when it falls below the support at 522.6. Target of 1%, trailing stop loss of 0.5%. If we are in a position and neither of these are hit, so the target is never going to be hit. It's only going to be closed if it hits the stop, which is if on Friday none of these are, the stop isn't hit, then we'll just close the position. The weekly and monthly trends are up as of now. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next video.